Namaste, I'm Dr. Tejaswini and welcome to Best of Homeopathy. Sprains, cuts, fractures, burns, crush injuries, muscle strain are some of the common everyday injuries. In this video, I'll be telling you about some of the most useful first aid homeopathic remedies which are used in the treatment of such wounds. The first remedy in this category is Calendula. Calendula is also called as the greatest healing agent in homeopathy. It gives extremely fast and effective results in wounds which are open and bleeding. Whether it is a small wound, as in cases of bleeding after tooth extraction, or even very big wounds which requires stitches, Calendula is a medicine which will speed up the process of healing of such wounds. It also has very strong antimicrobial action, because of which it prevents formation of pus and infection. The second remedy is Arnica montana. So this is a medicine which is used mostly in blunt injuries. There is no open wound, but blood clots form within the skin, turning it into dark, red, green, or even blue. For example, sports injuries where a ball hits the eye, or it could be even fist fights or falls. So, when there is a lot of pain, swelling, and internal bleeding, but the skin is not broken, that is when Arnica will help in relieving those pain and swelling, and also it removes the clot from that area. Arnica also completely heals very old wounds where the pain is only present but there is no bleeding or swelling for many years. The third remedy is Leum. So this is useful in two kinds of injuries. The first kind of injury is for ankle sprains. Whether it is the first time experiencing ankle sprain or the person has a tendency to develop this ankle sprain again and again, Leum will bring a permanent cure to it. If the sprained ankle is very swollen, painful and blue in color, and more importantly, if the person feels better by placing their feet in cold water, that is when Leum is the remedy of choice. The second kind of injury where this medicine will help is in cases of punctured wounds, meaning in cases of any pin pricks, needle pricks or even thorns, or it could be even painful insect bites. If the injured part is very red, swollen, painful, and the pain comes in pulsations or like heartbeats, and also if that area is touched, it is cold, then Leum needs to be taken. It is also very helpful in women who have undergone cesarean section where they would have received injections to their spine for anesthesia purposes. But always remember, in any such cases where you have a pin prick or needle prick or even old and rusty nails, it is very important to take a tetanus injection. The next remedy is Cantharis. So this is a very safe and effective medicine for burns. Whether it is a simple sunburn or it is also the real burns which occurs because of flames or even very hot boiling fluids, then Cantharis will help in healing it. When this medicine is applied on the burnt area, it almost immediately reduces the pain and also redness and prevents blister formation. Also, it is important not to burst or attempt to remove these blisters because it can lead to infection and delay in healing of wounds. The next remedy is Hypericum perforatum, and this is an excellent remedy for nerve injury. Especially the nerves present in your fingers, nails and toes, that is where Hypericum has its most action. If the finger is getting crushed in between the frames of window or doors, and also the nails could be damaged while using a hammer, in such situations where the nerve is crushed, that is when Hypericum will be very helpful. In some people, the pain doesn't go away, but it can stay for many years, and the pain from the nails and fingers can spread all over the limb. This can be prevented by using Hypericum. The next remedy in the list is Symphytum. In injuries which involve fracture of the bones, Symphytum helps in faster healing and rejoining of the fractured bones. It is very helpful in hairline fractures where only the outer layer or periosteum of the bone is damaged, but the person experiences severe pain. When this medicine is used along with the standard procedure of POP bandaging, then one can find quick relief from the pain, and also the regrowth of the bone and healing takes place very fast. The last remedy discussed today is Rustox. Whenever there is sprain of the muscles of the back or even the tendons and ligaments of your legs because of overstretching, then Rustox is the medicine which helps. When you stretch out to reach the topmost cupboard or even overstretch when you're exercising, if you develop sudden and severe pain in your back or legs, then Rustox brings quick relief to such pain. Also, after such an injury, if you find that the first movement is difficult, that is, it is difficult to get up from a sitting position, but once you begin to move, then the pain reduces. That is when Trustox will be the right remedy to cure you. Any kind of injury, even if minor, requires a doctor's review. These medicines which I mentioned will provide you unbelievably quick results if taken under the right guidance of your homeopathic physician. Please avoid self-medication and take the proper guidance so that you don't end up harming yourself. If you found this video helpful, do share it among your friends and family. And subscribe to this channel for more such informative content. Stay healthy. Thank you.